Sky is getting a bath because she is so dirty. She already gave me a little scratch, but she's getting a bath, aren't you? So she actually hates water. Hey. She hates it. So. Hey. Getting the right temperature. Hey. Stop it. I'm gonna put her in a bath, actually. Hey, you gotta stay in, honey. Keep it in, and I'll come back when the bath is full. Okay, the bathtub seems full enough for her, so I'm just gonna put her in. Hey. It's okay. Good girl. She hates water. Good girl, hey. You stay in. See, it's not that bad. Not that bad. Not that bad. So she's been in here for a little bit. She's actually doing pretty good, actually. Way better than I expected. I'm just gonna put some shampoo and conditioner on her. So we're getting her all clean. We're cleaning her up because she's dirty. Never forget the tail. Huh? Good girl. I'll come back when it's rinse time. Oh, look at that little soap bug. Huh? I never turned the light on. There, I turned the light on now. It's rinse time. You have to stay in here though. Huh? Hey. You have to stay in. You have to stay in. It's nice. I'm getting it warm. You do not want it cold on you, huh? I'm trying to warm it up. Hey, come back. You gotta stay in. It's nice. Okay. She keeps jumping out. Okay, so I drained the tub and I got her done. She's so freaking grumpy. Now I'm just conditioning her. What? The water is fine. I'm conditioning you. Yeah, she keeps trying to jump out. Hey. Anyways, I will come back when it's time to rinse the conditioner, if she'll let me. Okay, so it is time to rinse her out. She's getting all mad at me, but we can try it again. Maybe she's more of a bath girl than a shower girl, in my opinion. Hey. Here. Come here. Oops, don't want that. Hey. Here. Look. You're fine. Stay down. Look, it's nice and warm. But I guess I'll come back when she's done, since she's kind of being a little brat head. Stop. She's fully done. I just gotta dry her off. Stop. She is so grumpy right now. Very grumpy. What's your problem? I'm getting you clean. You smell good. Hi, I'm drying you off. Very grumpy kitty. She'll be fine though. You'll thank me when you're later when you're all clean. Yeah. Okay, so we're opening the door. She normally goes upstairs to my room, but I'm actually just gonna let her out down here because, you know. Go on. Go be free. Oh. Can't be mad at me. I got you clean. I got you clean. Why are you so mad? She hates water. I had her in the bathroom with me before when I was having a bath, and she just was mad. But I'm happy she's all clean now, so no worries.